Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for Word Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease the indent. So let's look at the example here. For example, you want to increase the indent of text in column B to more to the right. So firstly, you have to select text that you want to increase the indent and go to Home tab. From the alignment section, you can see decrease indent here and increase the indent here. Increase indent meaning you move the content farther away from the cell border, or decrease indent meaning you move your content closer to the cell border. So let's look at the example. We're going to increase the indent here. You just click indent, increase the indent, it will move a bit to the right. And you click more, it will move more to the right. And if you want to decrease, you can just click decrease and it will move to the left. That suits your purpose. You can choose any function that you like, increase or decrease. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.